Thank you for choosing Expert Home Services LLC. We are your one-stop shop for all your plumbing, heating, and HVAC needs in northern New Jersey, specifically in Passaic, Bergen, and Morris counties.
Are you experiencing a problem with your heating system? Is your air conditioning not working properly? Are you in need of a plumbing repair? Our team of skilled technicians is here to help. We offer a wide range of services including emergency repairs, regular maintenance, and new installations. We specialize in all aspects of HVAC, plumbing and heating repair and installation, ensuring that your home stays comfortable all year round.
Our technicians are licensed and insured, and we only use the highest quality parts and equipment. We are dedicated to providing our customers with the best service and the most affordable rates. We understand that home repairs can be stressful, and that's why we offer 24/7 emergency service to ensure that your problem is taken care of as soon as possible.
Thank you for considering Expert Home Services LLC. For urgent bookings, non-urgent bookings, or any other questions, please visit our website and contact our 24/7 front desk. We're looking forward to servicing you.